Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to Tirpan Study Center. We are going to do today a very important topic for a class 10 CBSE NCERT Science chapter here. Electricity MCQ question. There is a base on text, which will be very important for the exam point of view, and it will be important for the competitive exam also. Let's see what is our topic today. Today we discussion most important chapter here, electricity, class 10 CBSE NCERT Science and Technology. There is a most important MCQ here. You know that next question on your screen, and question is clear. The resistance of a wire of length 300 meter and cross section area is a 1.0 mm square, made of materials of resistivity of 1.0 into 10 minus 7 ohm is. You know that's the most important question here. But first of all, calculation is the most important for this question. Let's see calculation here. You know that on your screen the calculation here, that's important. The first of all, write you a resistance of the wire R. The resistance of wire is here R. There's a letter here. And resistance of the wire, there is a rho is a 1.0 into 10 minus 7 ohm meter. It is given here. It is a resistivity of is given here. You know the length of the wire is L. It means to the 300 meter is also given here. And the area of cross section wire is equal to 1.0 meter mm square. That's important. Okay, but there is a given to the length rho area. It means to the stress easily is come here. But first of all, 1 mm is equal to 10 minus 3 meter. Okay, so it means to area here 1.0 mm to given here. So it means there is a meter square. A is equal to 1.0 into 10 power minus 6 meter square. That's the area. And apply to the formula here, R is equal to rho L upon A. Okay. The R is equal to 1.0 into 10 minus 7 into 300. And the minus 0 into 10 minus 6. It means to the minus power here. It means to the cancel out. There is a cancel out. And only 10 is here. Only minus 1, 10 minus 1 is remaining here, because 6 to the 6 cancel out, only remaining minus 1. It means to the here R is equal to 300 into 10 minus 1. The minus 1 means there is a come to divided here. Divided here to 10, 10 to 10 cancel out. The only distance is given here 30 ohm. It means to the option D is correct here. Option D is correct, 30 ohm. That's the most important calculation here. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen, and question is, the hindrance represented by the material of conductor to the smooth passing of electrical current is known as. You know that the question is clear. The hindrance presented by the materials of conductor to the smooth passing of electrical current is known as A. Resistance, B. Conductance, C. Inductance, and D is none of these. Question is clear. But first of all, write the correct answer for your notebook firstly. You know that's important. Okay? You must have write the answer is correct of your notebook. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear. Question is clear. The hindrance presented by material of conductor to the smooth passing of electrical current is known as. The known as is only here. Not a inductance, not a conductance. Is answer A. Resistance. Resistance is the right answer for this question. Resistance is the right answer. Okay, let's see next question here. Next question on your screen, and question here, a fuse wire is inserted in which wire? Question is clear. A fuse wire is inserted in which the wire? A, live wire, B, in the neutral wire, C, in the earth wire, D, may be connected in any line. You know that is question is clear, but first of all, that's important. Write the notebook. There is a right answer for your notebook because you are important. Okay, you must have write the answer for the notebook. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear. A fuse wire is inserted in which the wire? You know that live wire means is a positive wire, and in the neutral wire means is a negative wire. In the earth wire is also important of safety features, but question is the fuse wire is inserted in which the wire? The fuse wire, where is the use? Fuse wire, where is the use? The neutral wires, live wire, in the earth wire. You know that the fuse wire is inserted is the only live wire. It means live wires. It means to the positive wire. It means option A is correct. Option A is correct. Live wire. It means positive wire. That's an important answer for this question. Let's see next question here. The next question on your screen, the question here, the rate of flow on electrical charge is known as? Question is clear. The rate of flow on electrical charge is known as electrical potential, B, electrical conductance, C, electrical current, D, none of these. You know that this question is clear here. The rate of flow on electrical charge is known as. That's important question. But first of all, note your answer for the notebook because it's important. Okay? You must have write the answer of your notebook is the correct answer. Let's see what is the correct answer for this question here. Question is clear. The rate of flow on the electrical charge is known as electrical potential. That is nothing is the right answer here. Electrical potential nothing here because electrical charge is asking here. Okay, electrical conductance. Electrical conductance is nothing is required. It means to the B option is wrong. B option is wrong here. The C here, electrical current. It means to electrical current. That is a right answer. C is the right answer, electrical current, because electrical charge, there is a rate of flow on the electrical charge known as a electrical current. It means to the option C is correct. The C option is correct for this question here. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. The question here, the instrument used for the measuring of electrical current is. You know that is question is clear. The instrument used for the measuring the electrical current is A, ammeter, B, glomometer, C, voltage meter, D, potential meter. That's important option here. But first of all, write the correct answer for your notebook. That's important. You have write the answer for your notebook. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear and direct here. The instrument used for the measuring of electrical current is ammeter call, glomometer call, voltmeters, or potential meter. You know that that's important. The answer is correct here. Electrical current is a measuring only ammeter. It means to the option A is correct here. Option A is correct. The instrument used by the measuring of electrical current is called ammeter. Ammeter is the most important. Option A is correct for this question here. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen, and question here, the resistivity of copper metal depend on only one of the following factor. And this factor is That's important question for the exam view here. The resistivity of copper metal depend only one of the following factor, and this factor is length, B thickness, C temperature, D area of cross section. Question is clear and also important here, but write the correct answer in your notebook. Okay, you must write the answer for your notebook. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear here. The resistivity of copper metal depend on only one of the following factor, and this factor is temperature. You know that the factor like a temperature. Copper metal depend on the only one following factor. Resistivity is temperature. It means to the option C is correct here. Option C, temperature, is correct answer for this question. Next question on your screen, and question here: when a 4 ohm resistor is connected across the terminal of 12-volt battery, the number of coulombs passing through the resistance per second. Question is clear here. Question is clear. When a 4 ohm resistor is connected across the terminal of 12-volt battery, the number of coulombs passing through the resistor per second is. You know that there is not a directly answer giving here. First of all, calculation there is important for this question here. Calculation is clear here. Ohm's law is asking V is equal to IR. Ohm's law is asking here V is equal to IR. Here giving voltage and resistance here. Is a voltage means battery is given to the voltage of 12 volt. And resistance here 4 ohm. It means to here I is equal to V upon R. You know that Ohm law is here V is equal to IR. But here calculate a current. Calculate a current. That's important. It means to here I is equal to VR. I is equal to VR. Voltage is 12. Voltage is 12 and resistance is 4. You know that 12 upon 4 divided here 3 is coming here. 3 CS, that's important. It means to here 3. B option is correct here. B option is correct. There is the number of coulomb passing through the resistor per second is 3 per second. Distance per second. That's important here. The coulombs, there is a second. Coulomb per second is 3 coulomb per second. That's the option B is correct for this question. And most important calculation here. Let's see next question here. The next question here. The device used for a measuring of potential difference is known as. Question is clear and most important for the exam view here. The device used for the measuring of potential difference is known as A. Potential meter, B. Ammeter, C. Globometer, D. Voltmeter. That's important. But first of all, write the correct answer for your notebook. Firstly, that's important. You must write the answer for your notebook. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear here. The device used for the measuring potential difference is known as a potentiometer, B. ammeter, C. globometer, D. voltmeter. That's important question here. The answer is directly here. Potential difference is known as a measuring here. The potential difference is measuring here voltmeter. It means to the option D is correct here. Voltmeter. The potential difference is measuring here voltmeter device. That's important. Option D is correct here for this question. The next question on your screen, the question here, the unit of electrical resistance is. The SI unit of electrical resistance is A. Ampere, V. Volt, C. Coulombs, D. Ohm. The question is clear, but first of all, write the correct answer for your notebook. Firstly, you must have write the answer for your notebook. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear and directly here. The unit of electrical resistance is ampere, volt, coulombs, d ohm. That's important. The answer is a ohm because electrical resistance is a here unit of ohm. It means to the option is D is correct for this question. Option D is correct for this question. This topic was till this. We will be do their next topic in the next part. If you like it, then please like, share, subscribe and share the video as much as possible. Do not think, subscribe and save in your mobile. Thank you.